If you've been looking for a new turnkey home on the Dartmouth side of the city, we're checking out a 4-bedroom layout by Mosaiq Construction Ltd today to see what you can get for just over $800,000 in the parks of Lake Charles. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now what I do on my channel is I visit all the developments going up around and outside the city of Halifax, and I give full new construction home walkthroughs so you can learn the floor plans by all the builders we have around the city. If this interests you, or you're thinking about moving, buying, or selling, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons so you can stay up to date with everything that's happening in these communities. And if you find value from this video, do me a huge favor and leave a comment. It helps YouTube get it out to more people like yourself that will get value from it. Today, I'm in the heart of what will eventually be one of the largest communities we have in all of Atlantic Canada, the parks of Lake Charles. Now, if you're a local here and you already know about this development, or you've seen my deep dive into the neighborhood before, feel free to skip ahead to the home tour. I always have timestamps in my video. But if you're still trying to figure out if this community is a good fit for your lifestyle, let me show you around. As you can see on the map, we are on the Dartmouth side of HRM, sitting just northeast of the city. We're about a 20-minute drive into the downtown core of Halifax, and honestly, this location is hard to beat. That's because Dartmouth Crossing is only 10 minutes away. It's on the other side of Lake Charles. That's where your Costco, your IKEA, and a lot of shopping is. So it's basically right on your doorstep. Now, just a tip for you, Waverley Road is currently the main artery to get in and out of this development, and it does bottleneck during rush hour. So you're gonna need to budget a little bit of extra time if you are a 9-to-5 commuter. Now, not to worry, even though the only access point right now is off Waverley Road, I'm standing at the end of the Avenue de Portage, where as you're gonna see right behind me, eventually there's gonna be an entrance point here as they continue the development. Now let's talk the trade-off for being so close to the city. This is phase 1 of a 15-phase master plan that will eventually house about 11,000 residents. So if you're looking for a 2-acre lot, this area is not it. Lots here average about 1/10 of an acre, so you're trading yard space for brand new infrastructure and a walkable community feel. And because it's phase 1, you'll obviously be living near a bit of construction for a while. But historically, the best equity is built by the people who buy early into these phases before the commercial centers are finished. So why live here besides the proximity? If you know the parks of West Bedford, you know the vibe they're going for, but here there's a massive nature twist. The entire development is designed to weave into the Shubie Park system. You have trails right at your doorstep that lead to Lake Charles for kayaking or swimming. It's that rare hybrid where you can have a high-end modern home, but still be 5 minutes away from a trail that feels like the deep woods. For families, I'm going to put the current schools for the neighborhood on the screen for you, but I want you to keep in mind that there's a newly approved HRCE school coming to the Port Wallace area to handle all the growth that's expected here. Now you've also got the École Bois-Joli right here for CSAP. Now having this level of French infrastructure right in the community is a massive draw for the Acadian and Francophone community moving to Halifax. Things are still changing here every month, so I'll continue to update this section as phases 2 and 3 start to roll out. But for now, I hope you enjoy all these home tours. So before we go inside to check out this home by Mosaiq, I just want to remind you I do not represent the builders on the channel. I have great relationships with them and their agents that allow me access to get inside to show you these homes. In saying that, I really hope you enjoy this home tour and reach out with any questions. All right, so today is April 11th, 2026, and we are checking out a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a single car garage by Mosaiq Construction Ltd here in the parks of Lake Charles. It is 2,740 square feet, and the lot we're sitting on is about the average, just over 1/10 of an acre here. It's listed at $810,900, so if you see this in time and you're curious, reach out, and if not, maybe you can get it in a future phase. So let's go on in and check it out. You're gonna notice that they have composite stairs and decking here in the front with a covered front porch, which is nice. It's nice that they put the composite on. So we're gonna go on inside, and you're gonna notice first, there's a big giant walk-in closet right when you walk in the front door. So plenty of space for all your stuff. You're not dragging a mess throughout the house. Now the garage door entrance, so if you were to park your car in the garage, that's that door down on the right there. But we're gonna make our way there shortly. First, we'll take a look at the powder room that's tucked in here. So you get nice tile flooring in the powder room. The flooring throughout the rest of the house is vinyl. Okay, they put a premium vinyl down. If you're new to my channel, again, I'm John Murray. And if you're looking at new construction or resale or looking to list your home, give me a call. I'd be honored to have a conversation with you. You can probably tell I'm a no pressure guy. And if you already have a realtor, that's cool too. But just remember, buyer representation is free here in Nova Scotia. Now, downstairs, we open up to your family/rec room. You can see they have a wet bar plumbed in already. You're gonna have your 4th bedroom tucked in here. Go on in and take a look. So it's good size. We've got a double closet here. Pull that so you can get a look at both sides of it, sorry. Now directly around the corner here, you're gonna have a full bath with a little linen closet on the right there. So there's your shower tub combo. See, we've got the tile flooring. They have quartz countertops throughout. There's your single vanity. And a nice deep linen closet here. Oh. It's a great little guest space. There's no walkout, but still great guest space nonetheless. All you would need. Now here is your utility room. So your air exchanger's up there. This home is heated through this ducted electric heat pump system, so that's forced air. It is electric. Now there is natural gas hookup to your hot water tank, and there's also natural gas plugins upstairs for your stove top and also a barbecue. So that's one of the unique things about here at the Parks of Lake Charles is they are roughing in the natural gas, which is not available in a lot of the HRM. I know if you're coming from Ontario, you're probably used to natural gas for your whole house, but it's just not that common here. So before we go into the kitchen and living room, I'll take you out to the garage. Give you a look at, don't mind the mess right now. It's a new construction home. There's usually mess in the garage. The garage is just over, I believe it's 1011 by 2311. Just to give you the measurements there. Now, you're gonna notice that throughout, there is pot lighting. So this is gonna wrap into the kitchen. Again, we've got quartz countertops. The appliances are actually included in this model, which is nice. They're not usually included in a new construction home, but here at this particular listing they are. So if you like what you see today, give me a call. Lots of cupboard space. They are soft close, as you can see. Just gonna give you a look, nice big kitchen island. You have an electric fireplace over here in your family room. And as always, the island is wired, which is code, it's built in. So you can see there's a nice open, inviting space here. A lot of people put their dining table over there. And we have a nice spacious deck. It is early April here. Finally, all the snow is gone and hopefully spring is approaching. So you can see nice, lots of space, really big deck, perfect for entertaining. That's Waverly Road out that way, because we're tucked in on Pearlgarden, the first street in on this development at the moment. But by the time you see this video, we could be multiple phases down the line. And who knows where you could get this built here. The only way to find out is give me a call. So yeah, lots of light, nice open space. It's a great main floor. Now we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna give you the lay of the land up here. So nice wide staircase, easy to move in furniture. So when we come to the top of the stairs, we actually have a den right in front of us. A great home office or flex space, great to have. We got 2 bedrooms here on the left. In there is your laundry closet and your main bath. Then we have a walk-in closet just outside the primary, another walk-in in the primary, and an ensuite. So we'll check out this den / office space first. I know if I bought this home, this is exactly where my office would be. So it's a great additional space to have. Regardless of what you want to use it for, it looks out to the front. Again, we have bedroom number 2 here. Good size. Look at the closets. I'm gonna head down into bedroom number 3. Again, my information will be on screen if you have any questions. I help people like you every week, so don't be shy. No question is a stupid question. And good size bedroom for bedroom number 3. This closet there. I'm gonna hang a right. And as I mentioned, here's your laundry closet here. So we've got some nice shelving up above it. Lots of space. And you have your main bath for the additional bedrooms right here. Okay. Now, this one's kind of cool because they have 2 walk-in closets and they've put one of them outside of the primary. So you can see here's your first. I guess this would hopefully be mine if I could negotiate to have one of them if I was buying this house. But just in case that's not enough closet space for you, we are in the primary bedroom now. You have another large walk-in closet here. Your attic access is also in this closet. So I'll give you a look at the primary. Lots of space, easily have a nice spacious room for a king-size bed. And they have the individually controlled pot lights above each side there, where your side tables would be. I want to flick one of them off just to show you. You could if somebody likes to go to sleep a little bit earlier and needs a little more darkness. Got nice big windows here, so lots of light. And your ensuite bathroom. So go on in, it is a double vanity. Nice pretty color scheme. The tile goes all the way matching up to the ceiling. This walk-in shower. So you can see how it flows. Like how they did that. And your toilet tucked around the corner, just where you need it to be. So yeah, that's it for the Mosaiq 4-bedroom plan here in the parks of Lake Charles. If you enjoyed this tour, please do me a huge favor. It really helps if you comment on the video. It helps tell YouTube to send it out to more people like yourself. And again, always reach out with any questions and I will hopefully see you on my next home tour. Thanks for watching.